Let's check what kind of snow we got. First snowfall, 9 inches. Kubota time. Alright guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you saw in the beginning, we got about 9 to 10 inches of snow, and I'm so excited to get the tractor out and get the first snowfall done of the year. So we got about 9 to 10 inches as you saw in the drone footage. We've got this weird cracking happening on the lake this year, which is really quite awesome. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed that little snippet in the beginning about me getting my fireplace started and some of the steps that I go through to get my cabin all warmed up. So let's get that Kubota out. Let's get this snow gone. And yeah, beautiful day. Welcome to winter of 24-25. All right, while she's warming up, I thought I'd give you a little view of the yard. As you can see, lots of snow. So let's get it on. Alright guys, here comes the true test. When I measured this out, my blower should be able to pass. So I'm going to move a little bit of snow aside here and see if I can get the blower down that way. Of course, we got to take off the snow. Stick around. Well guys, she fit. It's tight squeeze, but unfortunately I've already damaged the shelter. Score 1 for the shelter. Shelter 1, Outdoor Hobby Guy 0. Well guys, hope you enjoyed today's content. Let me know in the comments below what you think about my new little intro starting the cabin, and if there's any other shots that you'd like to see, maybe special angles or anything like that. I'm going to give you a little review about my blower on another storm. It's getting dark now, it's getting cold, got to make sure there's logs on the fires. So thanks a lot for joining me today, I really appreciate it. I want to shoot a shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. I really, really, truly mean it. Thank you very much. Give me a thumbs up if you like today's video. Feel free to give me a comment, or if you got any questions. Thanks a lot for joining me. God bless. Stay warm.